Watermelon, scientifically known as Citrullus linatus, is not only a popular summer fruit, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Known for its hydrating properties and refreshing taste, watermelon has been cherished in various cultures for centuries. Both traditional practices and modern scientific research highlight its numerous healing properties. Nutritional profile: watermelon is composed of approximately 92% water, making it an excellent choice for hydration, especially in hot weather. Beyond its high water content, watermelon is rich in vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and several important minerals, including potassium and magnesium. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining overall health and wellness. Hydration and detoxification: one of the primary benefits of consuming watermelon is its ability to keep the body hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for various bodily functions, including temperature regulation, nutrient transport, and waste elimination. Additionally, watermelon is a natural diuretic, which means it can help promote the excretion of excess fluids and toxins from the body. This detoxifying effect is particularly beneficial for kidney health. Rich in antioxidants: watermelon is a source of antioxidants, particularly lycopene and beta-carotene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to numerous health benefits, including a reduced risk of certain cancers, particularly prostate cancer. Research indicates that lycopene may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, contributing to heart health. Beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, is essential for maintaining healthy skin and vision. Anti-inflammatory properties: chronic inflammation is associated with various health issues, including heart disease and arthritis. Studies have shown that watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that may help reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery after exercise. This makes watermelon a popular choice among athletes. Furthermore, the antioxidants in watermelon can combat oxidative stress, which is a contributor to inflammation. Heart health: including watermelon in your diet may support cardiovascular health. The combination of potassium, lycopene, and other nutrients found in watermelon can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels and improve overall heart function. Some studies suggest that lycopene can lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and improve blood vessel function, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Skin and hair benefits: the high water content, along with vitamins A and C, makes watermelon beneficial for skin health. These nutrients help keep the skin hydrated and can promote a healthy complexion. Vitamin C is vital for collagen production, a protein that helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Additionally, the antioxidants in watermelon can protect the skin from sun damage and premature aging. Conclusion: in summary, watermelon is not just a delicious and refreshing fruit, it also offers numerous medical benefits supported by both traditional uses and scientific research. Its high water content aids in hydration and detoxification, while its rich nutrient profile provides antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and heart health benefits. Incorporating watermelon into your diet can be a simple and enjoyable way to enhance your overall health. So, whether enjoyed in a salad, smoothie, or simply sliced on a hot day, watermelon is a fruit that provides a wealth of healing properties worth embracing.